November 22nd, 2022. I'm at Loveland ski area in Dillon, Colorado. Well, the views from here are just a little inspiring, just a tad, and a little intimidating, to be brutally honest. We're going to do some easy stuff because I just got some interesting news. My mind is a tad distracted, but it's okay. I'm on your left, hon. Doing some easy stuff today. I really got beat up yesterday. Pretty aggressively at Keystone. I was pretty happy with how I did, so that was cool. Here. What was really cool is I got here before 9 and parked right up front, so no schlepping needed. This is Mambo. We're going to link into Home Run here in a minute. All right, that was beautiful. Been here since 2018 when I had to jump off chair 9. That was interesting. Okay, beautiful. So that's Chet's dream. Down all the easy runs, back to base at Loveland ski area, Loveland Basin. Okay, GoPro stop recording.